5 Things You Should Know About Marble Countertops. Dear friends, in a time when marble is everywhere, seriously, it's even on our walls, it's normal to want to hop onto a slab of nature's finest and never let go, especially when you start crunching the numbers. If you're going into a kitchen reno, though, you should know that marble's pretty exterior is hiding a few dirty secrets. It's not all bad, but when it comes to making an investment, we're all about transparency. Here's everything you need to know. 1. Marble is a porous, high-maintenance surface. We could get into the geology of this, but the takeaway is that marble is vulnerable to staining agents, like wine, juice, and oil, that seep deep into the rock. When this happens, it's difficult to reverse, so professionally sealing the surface upon installation is essential to help prevent damage. Unfortunately, you'll need to repeat the sealing process. You can do this yourself, with a quality sealant, every 6 months if you're a frequent cook. 2. Be prepared to see some scratches. Prolonged exposure to an acid, called etching, removes the polish or sealant from the marble's finish and makes it dull and more vulnerable to scratches. Honing your marble, a process that results in a matte, less polished effect, might make etching less noticeable, but won't stop it from happening, unfortunately. Another reason for chips? Marble is much softer than other durable stones, think granite. For this reason, avoid leaning up against your marble island wearing a belt or long metal necklaces. 3. If you don't mind the extra work, they are a beautiful addition. Considering marble's multifaceted ability to work with so many different design styles, it makes sense that it's trending right now. If you're a homeowner looking for a wipe-and-go countertop, though, you'll probably want to skip this one. 4. It's cost-effective, depending on the type of marble you buy. 5. Marble is heat-resistant, which is great, but you still need to be careful. If you're baking in the middle of a heat wave, you can rely on marble countertops to stay as icy as central air. The stone is also heat-resistant, making it a good option if your kitchen sees a lot of bake-offs. Despite its ability to withstand high temps, you never want to place a piping hot pot on marble, or granite or quartz for that matter, for the risk of discoloring or burning the surface. Always use a pot holder. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Laud's channel How to Make My House.